Hello folks, this is the song that I'm going to show you today. Now, I don't know what this song is called, but it's a great piano piece and it's one of the first ones that I ever saw as a kid on the piano, and it's easy to play. So it looks good and it's easy to play. So this is how it goes. See what you think. You might not like it, I do. There you go. So I think it looks quite impressive. You've got your hands crossing over, you're using both hands, and I learned to play it as a kid without knowing any of the notes. You don't need to know the notes. All you need to know is the shapes, and then it's pretty easy to play. So let me break it down for you. So all you need to do, first of all, is find two black notes. So if you find two black notes round about the middle of the keyboard, I think it's probably above middle C is where it's supposed to start. So I really don't know what the piece is. So if anybody does know, please leave it in a comment. I'd love to know what the piece is actually called. So find yourself two black notes, put your fingers over like this, and we'll break it down into phrases. So the first phrase is literally using these two black notes, and then this black note here, that's the bottom of the three, the pattern of three. So you find the three and the two, and we're using those notes there. Okay, so the first bit goes literally like this. Okay, now once you've done that, you then need to use these two fingers, your thumb and your, I think it's called the ring finger, on these two notes. Can you see those two? Okay, so let me show you the whole phrase, and once you've learned a couple of phrases, you've virtually got the whole piece. So it literally goes like this. Okay, listen to that again. Now once you've learnt that, that's a fair bit of the whole piece done, just from that little bit, believe it or not. Okay, because that repeats 3 times and it goes like this. Okay, now once you've done that, your left hand then starts to come down a little bit, and I just want you to just watch this, because that's the easiest way rather than explain it. It literally goes like this. So from the beginning of the piece, at this point, fingers go to these white notes here, like that. Okay, let's do all of that again, and you've virtually learnt the piece once you've done this bit. Down, down to the two white keys, and then all we do is you keep doing exactly the same pattern and then come back up. And back to where we started. So let's do that again, right from the beginning. Do it with me, and we'll do it nice and slowly this time. And back up. Now, once we've done that, we then do the same pattern, but this is where it looks really good, because you cross your hands over, and we just go up the keyboard now, but exactly the same pattern. And up, onto the white keys again. This is where it comes up to the ending, because we come back down again. Left hand coming down, coming down, coming down again, coming down, and then this time, instead of coming back onto these two, we move it up, same pattern onto these two. Okay. So let's try that second bit again where we're going up, and then we'll put the whole piece together. So it's going up this time. Onto the white keys. Now we're coming back down, 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 down. Finish off. Okay, let's do it right from the beginning. I'll do it slow first of all, and then a little bit faster. I have got another video made with Synthesia, the software, which shows the notes coming down onto the keys. If you want to check that out, feel free to do so. That might help with your practicing as well. Okay, but you'll soon get this, and as you've noticed, we haven't talked about a single actual note name as yet. This is just looking at the patterns and the rhythm. Okay, so from the beginning, remember, start with your pointing finger and your middle finger on those two black keys there, and then get ready with your thumb and the ring finger on the two black keys there. Left hand starting here, and let's do it nice and slow, see if we can follow the whole pattern. Now we're going up and up. White keys again. Get ready to come down, 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 down. Finish off with a cha-cha-cha at the end. A 1, 2, 3 at the end. Okay, let's do it once more, a little bit faster this time. Obviously just rewind the video and keep playing it through just to get it, but you'll soon get it, and it does sound really good and looks quite professional when you've got it. Here we go, from the beginning. And there we go, folks. So it's just getting that rhythm going and remembering where you are on the black keys, and that's it. Enjoy, hope you like it, and have fun. See you next time, guys. Bye.